We just completed another workers' meeting here in Belfield with our special guest speaker, former party leader, Comrade PJ Patterson, and Comrade KD Knight. It was a pleasure to have them. At this time, we're just continuing the mission, focusing on listening and learning from the people in the communities. That's my primary focus right now. We have to measure before we can cut. The issues about citizenship, I'm a properly nominated candidate to stand in the upcoming by-election on October 30th. I am a Commonwealth citizen, but I've also heard from others who would feel even more comfortable with me if I were a Jamaican citizen. That process has already started, but it may take some time to complete. We gain with Shane. That's part of our 12-point plan so that we can develop the lives and the economy of Southeast St. Mary. S for sport, H for health, A for agriculture, N for new economy, E for education.